Hey everyone, if you want to create a Polaroid picture but you don't know where to go, just go to Canva. And today I'm going to teach you how to do that. First off, you're going to search Canva, then log into the website or download the application, whichever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and use the website today. And once you're in there, you can click create, then choose maybe like social media and choose, I'm going to use like Instagram post, for example. This is just for the canvas. So basically the size of the picture that you like or the size of what you're going to download. Then I'll go ahead and go to elements. You can also do templates if you want to do so. You can look for Polaroid frame, but you can also go ahead and use elements. But since we have one here, I'd like to use this one. Okay. By the way, if you don't want to use the tablet, you can go ahead and go to Elements, search for Polaroid frame. Okay, and then you can choose this one, for example, or this one, or this one. Okay, I'll try to use that one. Okay, this one. So I don't like the white background, so I'm going to change it to brown. Example, this one. I'll make this the background, so I'll adjust it. Then right click, you layer it, then send to back. Then you already have your Polaroid picture here. What you're going to do once you already have the template, you can go ahead and go to uploads, upload a file that you like this, or you can just do here if you don't have a picture, you can download, or for example, I already have a picture so I don't have to download it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and label it here. It will load a little bit, but there you go. That's your Polaroid picture. You can adjust the size, and then you can also add some texts if you like. For example, and say my portrait, like this. Then you can adjust the font. Assuming I'm going to use this one. And then if you're happy with it already, you can have it like that and click share. Then click download in PNG and you download the file. And that's it. That's how easy you can create your Polaroid picture using Canva. If you want to learn more about these, you can let us know and we can create more videos for you. Bye!